Annyeonghaseyo Chingu, and welcome back to the Torzy channel for the SHINee comeback. SHINee's back. As some of you might know, I came to SHINee kind of backwards through Taemin, who I knew first as a solo artist, and then Minho I knew from acting instead. So I've come the long way around, but I'm here now and ready for my first ever SHINee comeback experience. Cute.
아무도 보이지 않는 곳으로 떠나겠어 남자들 안 보는 척하면서 without tension 눈이 부시게 새의 미소는 늘 빛을 냈어 뭐 아닌 척해도 솔직히 난 가끔은 불안해져 몰라 미친 소리 같겠지만 확실히 해 어디 도망 못 가게 네 번째 손가락을 줘 Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you. Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you.
What? Where did that freaking harmony come from?
아직도 너무 예뻐 볼 때마다 숨이 멎지 I need a doctor 불치병이 된 여전히 lovesick 시간이 갈수록 더 심각해 I want you 아직도 내 삶의 everything my love 정말 안 되겠어 더 이상 아프지 않게 내 옆에 있어주면 돼네 번째 손가락을 줘 Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you.
What?
Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you. 지금 아니면 왠지 후회할 것 같아 오늘인 듯해 baby 널 네 번째 손가락 위에 널 닮은 diamond ring 아직게 널 위해 지금 나와 약속해줄래 Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you. Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you. I wanna marry you. Yeah, I wanna marry you.
Oh my god. Kill me. That was so cute, I want to die. That harmony. That harmony. Whoa. That's their B-side? Okay. Give me the A-side then. That was so good. Oh, this is my first SHINee comeback and I'm really excited, like watching the whole live and them talk about like their whole history together. That's so nice for someone like me who's a new Shawol to just be like, yes, fill me in on all of the gaps, and all of the gaps is basically the entire history. And then to be hit with that sound. Whoa, whoa. February 22nd. February 22nd, it's been confirmed. That's when it's coming out. Okay, what date is it? Okay, it's the end of January. Now we just have to wait 22 days. Nobody panic. Nobody count down. Or countdown. We'll do a countdown together. It gave me the giggles. How cute. How freaking cute. Oh, they want to marry us. Thank you for hanging out with me to watch SHINee and their comeback. 감사합니다 and 사랑해요, and I will see you soon for more. 안녕.